Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Yeah, because the boyfriend did not want to pursue the case, they still went ahead and charged her to court. As you know, next month is supposed to be her trial. For people who don't know her, Caroline Flack and Olimars presented Extra Factor over 7 years ago. And again, she won the 12th series of Strictly Come Dancing in 2014. And in 2015, she started presenting Love Island till lately when this happened. So my own take is this: the media should stop interfering in people's business, like people's lives, because at the end of the day, people's lives are, actually involved. They should stop expanding things from the way it was. Regardless of how much she was paid to do all this TV stuff and all that, you know is a huge sum of money, but somebody's life, somebody's the way somebody lives her own life, is involved in all these things that happened actually affected her mental health. And one thing you should understand is that we all live our lives differently. I just want to put it out there that people should stop intruding into other people's privacy. So guys, like one of my lecturers always say, that everyone has mental health. It depends like where you are, in the continuum. Like where you are in the chart. What do I mean by that? So guys, how your mental health is being affected, in the first stage in the continuum. For example, in a healthy stage, when you are in your healthy stage, you will be performing well, you have a good sense of humor, and you are totally in control of your mental health. These are all when you are in your healthy stage, which is the stage one. It doesn't mean that at that stage you don't have mental health, but you are more in control of whatever happens to you. You can control it well and all that. And again, this brings us to the second stage, which is reacting. How you react to a present situation depends how someone can tell like where you are in the mental health. So at this stage, you are impatient, you are nervous, you are you always feel sad, you have low energy, and this is when you react to things like situation differently. So at this stage, guys, the mental health has started to kick in, and this brings us to the third stage, which is injured. So guys, this is when it gets to you. Like guys, if you are at this stage, like you are the third stage, please seek help. So guys, don't wait until you get to this stage before seeking help. Counseling. You can go for counseling, and before you know it, you are, totally fine. So you know how to deal with any situation, like how to deal with things like when they come at each stage. And at this stage you begin to withdraw. Anxiety and others can actually follow, and this brings us to the fourth stage, which is ill. At this stage your mental health has taken the best out of you. So, and you are not the best version of yourself anymore. That's why it's very, very important to seek help. It's very important to open up. It's very important to talk to someone like what is going on. You never know where your help might come from. So guys, so many unusual things happen at this stage. If you don't take that bold step before it gets to this stage, things might happen. You need to talk to someone. You need to open up. Even if you are at this stage, you can still come out of it. Just like they say, a problem shared is half solved. you know So talk to someone about it, share it with someone, and yeah. So guys, how someone can talk to you, might actually bring good memory to you. It can actually turn things around. You can actually make things, make you see things differently in a good way. So guys, finally, food for thought. And yeah, please, people should learn to be kind to one another. Don't speak ill of one another. So guys, we can't talk about all these things without talking about depression and isolation. Depression can lead to isolation, which results to loneliness. Depression affects everyone, at every point in our lives. But just know when it affects your judgment, if not properly handled, if not properly taken care of, it might, result to many things. Your words can actually have a negative impact in someone's life. So try to learn how to use them, learn how to use your words carefully in order not to affect someone negatively. It can hurt someone's soul. Like example, you might have misunderstanding with someone, and on top of that, try not to speak ill of that person. Try not to hurt them directly or indirectly. Because our tongue, um is one of the smallest thing in our body, but yet it can, it's dangerous. So please, this message is for everyone, both social media, press, individuals. Like all this, can contribute to someone's, mental health. And even me, you listening to this message, think about the impact of your words in someone's life. Think about how it influenced someone's life negatively. This is all negatively, because I believe that press, media, words, their words actually influence this lady's life negatively. So guys, I believe that all this might have contributed to the action she took. So guys, I can imagine what Caroline's family, what they are passing through right now. But all I say is that may God console them. May God console them beyond human comprehension. Please be kind to one another. You don't want to add to what is stressing someone out already. You don't know how you impact someone's life, like how we influence in someone's life negatively. Let's try to add, positive things into someone's life. This will actually help us as, human beings. So with that, I'm going to wrap it up here. And if this video helped you in any way, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye guys.